this really what the water pump is supposed to sound like? When it runs? Really? It's a little retarded. We got hot water going in. Really, really hot water. And we got cold water going in. Why the hell does it sound like that though? And the machine is filling up with warm water for its first load. And if that's how that pump sounds all the time when it's running, I'm going to lose my mind. This is cause for celebration for sure. The bucket has a washing machine and hot and cold running water. I don't have anything hooked up to run the water out of yet, but that's just a matter of time. I was really pushing hard to get this done tonight because all my clothes are dirty and I was refusing to do laundry in the other machine, so in my big machine inside the house, because I wanted to wear clothes that were washed. I wanted to see how this machine worked, so I'll let you guys know. Let's go up here and look and see how many amps it draws when it's... Listen to that. Why does it make that sound? Seriously. Oh, we got a little leak. And the filter. The filter's leaking. Anyway, let's go see how many amps it draws when it's running. Excuse the mess. Eventually, the mess is working its way towards the front of the bus. See, this is where I hooked up the water pump. It has its own switch, and the two batteries that it's connected to have their own state of charge. So, let's check and see. The Splendide 2100 XC running on pure solar power. Let's check and see how many amps it draws. So right now we're running 5 amps. Or it's something, stuff is pulling 5 amps, but I'm running this 110 bulb, full-size refrigerator, and that fan. So let me turn off the bulb and see. And the fan. I know the refrigerator pulls less than an amp, so let's see. With the bulb and the fan off, how many it's pulling when it's washing clothes. It still says 5 amps. Oh no, I'm sorry, 3.6 amps. Battery's at 99%. So when the load is done, I'm going to come back and check and see how much of my 450 amp hours it used to wash and dry a very small load of clothes. Thanks, and if you know why my water pump makes all that damn noise, let me know.